Tayo. Kakakulit ang banner.
Look at that view. It's finally fine here.
Kapag-usgap. Sino? Sino?
Arriving. May pancake na dito. So that was a 2 hours na walk so far. From the very start, ganina around 4 in the morning. Or past 4, nilakaw. Ganito sa starting point. Then uphill, downhill, then here. Look at that. Ayan, egg. Ito yung para stopover bago mag final ascend. Pwede kayong kumain. May CR doon, 20 pesos. Ano binili mo?
Pancake canton.
Pancake? Pancit canton? Akala ko pancake.
Ay, may pancake sila bagong luto. Masarap.
Magkano ba? So we're heading to that way. Pag may init, hindi siya nagkukulay blue. Puti daw siya. So ito yung dinadaanan namin. May kulay blue. Welcome to one of the tourist attraction dito sa Sagada. They're calling it blue soil. Take a look if it is indeed blue. Parang sand.